Here we go again. Come here. Do we really need to do this every night? Hmm? No? Just stay in Mama's lap. Here. Come here. So your brother will not gonna chase you, okay? Boomer, can you please leave your sister alone? Oh, Boomer. Mama loves you too. Leave your sister alone. No? Oh, sorry, Viper, sorry. You can't jump though because Boomer will gonna chase you. Just stay there. It's okay. Mama will gonna protect you, okay? It's okay. Don't be scared. Your brother just want to play with you. Uh-oh. 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 Oh, you two. Boomer, leave your sister alone, please. Come here. Come see Mama. Come here. Come here. Sit down. Thank you. Look at all those dust from you. Can you be nice to your sister? You can sit next to me too, but let your sister sit on my lap. You can't sit on my lap. You're too heavy for me. I love you. Shh.